And now on Hometown Radio 1580 KGAF, it's time for Hometown Community Service. Here is Dee Blanton.
Thanks very much. Hi again, everyone. Welcome to our Thursday Community Service program here on KGAF. It is Munster Memorial Hospital Day, and this is a big week, a big weekend coming up for Munster Memorial Hospital, as Saturday is their annual spring health event. Much more than just a health fair. And Gayla Blanton, the Director of Marketing for MMH, is here and talk a little bit about the event itself and what makes it a quote-unquote event.
Well, it seems to be a rain event. It has become a rain event because every time we move it, the rain seems to follow us, but we're hoping for some clear skies. But yes, we have expanded our spring offering from the basic low-cost laboratory screenings that we do, and we've added a lot of extra value by adding extra screenings, health information, giveaways, lots of things to make it valuable to people to come and spend a little bit of their time with us. And so that's why we decided to kind of beef up our spring health fair. Hope to take it outside one day, maybe not this Saturday, but one day. And so that's why we call it the health event, because it's kind of stepped forward a little bit. We have over 30 exhibitors actually coming this time. And
that's great. And we're going to talk more about those coming up. So since there is rain in the forecast, and right now everybody's agreeing on this, so what are the plans then if it is raining?
Well, we're going to go rain or shine. What we'll do is, if it's raining, there's a small sliver of hope that there will be clearing in the morning. So I'm kind of hanging on to that, but it's no problem. We just move everybody inside to the rehab center, and then the lab testing will be originating from the main lobby. So we'll have plenty of room, and we'll go on as if it's not raining.
All right, very good. Also with us is Melissa Trubenbach, who everybody in Munster knows Melissa, of course. And how does it feel to be known by everybody?
Oh, it feels great.
I think it's wonderful. But Melissa's here going to talk a little bit about how this thing has grown from what used to be, I guess, just a couple of times a year you did lab tests and that was about it. And now it's grown. So talk about that growth and how that's come about.
Yes, looking forward to another great event. We have expanded our spring event to be more community-wide and county-wide. We do still offer every 6 months. We will do it again in October, but we still offer some great deals on discounted labs and testing, and we hope everyone comes to take advantage of that for sure. But it will be from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. We do request that you be fasting when you come, so that we can do a good check of your lipid panel. We're going to do a complete health panel that we're offering. We'll have a CBC. The lipid panel will be involved. A comprehensive metabolic panel, check your kidney function, liver function tests. Gentlemen will have the opportunity to get their PSA drawn, thyroid exam, thyroid test, hemoglobin A1C for all the diabetics to take advantage of, testosterone level, vitamin D, and then you can, at a later date and time, have an EKG and a urinalysis performed at the hospital. So a very good comprehensive workup that can be used as your annual wellness physical results for your workplace, or just to know. You will receive all the results in the mail and with our interpretation of it, and then you can, of course, come see us, or you can take those to your provider of choice.
Now, these tests that you've ripped off there, and there are a bunch of them, and it's great that you're offering them. These are tests that folks, they need to have done routinely. And I know there are so many people that say, I don't have a family doctor, I don't have a primary care physician. These are the very type folks that need to come in and take advantage of the fact they can get these tests done, right?
Absolutely. We see people who don't have insurance. We see people who do have insurance. We do not file to insurance, but a lot of people these days have high deductibles, and we all hope we don't even come close to meeting those. So it's a great opportunity, very discounted. lab work and testing. So it's a good opportunity for all to come.
And you were telling me, both of you girls were telling me before we started today, that not only this lab testing, but you're also going to have Moncrief Cancer Center here for mammograms, right?
That's correct. They are now taking appointments, and they will be here all day, actually. They'll be here from 8 until 4, so the health fair will stop at 11, but if they have mammogram appointments past that, they will do that. And the great thing about this, again, mentioning the uninsured or those with really high deductibles, this program is for them. If you haven't had a mammogram, if you're in the last year, if you're above the age of 35, and you don't have insurance or you have a high deductible, or even those women with insurance can take advantage of this, and they'll get updated or upgraded to a 3D mammogram, which is really cool because there's none in the immediate area. So we're excited about them being part of the fair too, and you can still call for appointments through probably around Friday at 4, and the number to call is 800-405-7739, and that will get your appointment scheduled with us on Saturday with Moncrief.
And Melissa, I would presume you're real excited about this and the opportunity it affords folks, because you, in the clinic and all, you probably see people all the time that don't have these tests run, and you have to try to get them done one way or the other.
Exactly. It's very important for early detection of problems and just to monitor their current health issues. And a lot of people, like you said, don't take the time or don't have the financial means to get these tests done as often as they should. And so it's just a wonderful opportunity that I'm real proud that MMH offers, and I know that the public is very grateful for too.
Well, I want to talk a little bit also about the folks at MMH, Gayla, who chip in to help pull this off. If it weren't for the employees giving up 3 or 4 hours on their Saturday, you never could do this, right?
Oh, that's absolutely correct. And this year we have more involved than ever. I think looking at the list from the hospital itself, every department is covered in some form or fashion. So, yes, we could not do it without those employees giving up 3 hours of their time or more, really, to get that pulled off.
And there are other things too going on besides just health screenings and lab tests and all of that. There are other organizations that will be there as well, right?
Oh yes, we're not all the booths, that's for sure. We have a lot of people because, like Melissa mentioned earlier, we wanted to make this countywide. We wanted to, show everybody in that area what is available, not only in Munster or around that area, but in Cook County as a whole. And this year, Texoma Council of Governments is bringing its mobile over, and they're going to share the programs that they have that includes Cook County. And they have a slew of great programs that could help people out, everything from, high electricity bills in the summer to, my goodness, meal delivery, everything. So they have just a wide range of resources, and so we're very happy that they're coming. But there are others. We have returning ones from last year. We're going to have Abigail's Arms. Care Flight will be coming in, weather permitting, from 9 to 11. Cook County Home Hospice, the Sheriff's Office, Cook County United Way, Dermatology and Skin Cancer Surgery Center. We'll also have, of course, Moncrief is a returner this year. Munster Police, Munster Fire, Diabetes Education by Joanne Walterscheid. The North Texas Medical Center Sleep Clinic will be over to talk about that sleep deprivation that you're always complaining about. Mm-hmm. And then the Texas Department of Public Safety is going to join us this year. So if it's not raining, we're going to have fire trucks and police cars and trooper cars and all that out so the kids can enjoy that. And
with the Munster Police there, you're also going to have the drug take-back thing, right?
Yes, absolutely. They will be there to take back any type of drug that you need disposed of, if it's expired, if you're not taking it for your condition any longer. Those drugs shouldn't be put down a toilet or put out in the trash where people can access those. You need to get them disposed of properly. So you just bring your bag of old prescription drugs, no liquids please, but you can bring your patches and pain patches in your drugs, and they'll take it away and dispose of it properly.
All right, sounds good. That's always a good thing to do. I guess as we wrap up, and we're just about out of time here, Melissa, just to kind of bring this all up in a nice little bow for us and tell us why people should attend this event on Saturday.
Well, we hope everyone everyone does take the time to come out. We are very interested in everyone's health and well-being, and we know that they are too. It is hard to sometimes stop and take that time for ourselves, but we want people to remember that they do deserve to take the time to take advantage of these things to ensure their health and well-being, and because they deserve it. And we're very proud to offer this and very excited about this Saturday.
And don't forget, it's not just for the folks of Munster. It's for the folks all around Cook County. So make plans to be there at Munster Memorial Hospital this Saturday from 8 to 11 a.m. Ladies, thank you very much, and best of luck on Saturday.
Thank you.
All right, and that's going to wrap it up for our Thursday program from MMH here on Hometown Radio 1580 KGAF.